let's talk about the Cash App Borrow feature. It's a fantastic option that allows you to borrow small amounts ranging from $20 to $200. For new Cash App accounts, this starts at $20, and over time, it can go up to $200 if you meet certain conditions. This feature is perfect for quick cash when you need it most. What are the eligibility criteria to borrow $200 from Cash App? Let us first know about it. Eligibility criteria. To borrow $200 from Cash App, you need to meet the following eligibility requirements. Age requirement. Users must be at least 18 years old. Banking account. Users should possess a valid checking account. Positive banking history. A positive banking history is essential. Verified Cash App account. Users must have a verified Cash App account. Connected bank account. The Cash App account should be connected to a bank account. Regular deposits. Make regular cash deposits and withdrawals on Cash App. Regular deposits of approximately $1,000 are preferred. State of residence. Eligibility may also depend on the user's state of residence. Cash card. You must have an activated Cash App card. Past borrowing experience. Cash App typically favors old users who have previously borrowed and repaid loans on time. Such users have higher chances of receiving a $200 loan. Now, let's get into the steps to borrow $200. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. In the first step, you have to open the Cash App on your mobile. Click the profile icon button on the top right corner and scroll down, as shown in the photo. Step 2. In the second step, as soon as you click on the profile icon and scroll down, you will see a borrow option below. You will see the borrow option only if you are eligible to borrow $200 on Cash App. If you are not eligible, it will not appear. You have to click on this borrow button, as shown in the photo. Step 3. In the third step, as soon as you click on the borrow button, a new page will open in front of you on which it will be written borrow up to $200. If you have to scroll down, you will see a Get Started button below, which you have to click, as shown in the photo. Step 4. As soon as you click on the Get Started button in the fourth step, a new page will open in front of you in which you'll see your Cash App borrow limit will be visible, and it will be written there, available to borrow. If you are eligible to borrow $200, then here you will see the amount of $200. If you don't see a $200 amount here, then you are not yet eligible to borrow $200. If you see an amount of $200 here, then you have to click on the borrow button, as shown in the photo. Step 5. After the processing goes on for some time, whatever amount is approved by Cash App will be instantly transferred to your Cash App account, and a new page will open in front of you on which it will be written borrowed, and whatever amount has been borrowed will be written below. While following all the steps, you have to remember that you have to borrow the amount only after reading all the details thoroughly and understanding the terms and conditions. Repaying your loan is just as simple. Cash App will automatically deduct the repayment amount, usually weekly, from your balance. Make sure you have enough funds to avoid penalties. Now, some of you might be wondering, what if the borrow limit of $200 isn't available to me yet? Don't worry. Here are some tips to increase your chances. Use Cash App regularly for deposits, payments, and transactions. Always repay any borrowed amount on time. Keep your Cash App account and Cash Card active. So that's how you can borrow $200 from Cash App. It's a quick and convenient way to get emergency funds